Why combine language apps with habit trackers?
Building consistent language learning habits can be challenging. Using a habit tracker app alongside your favorite language app helps you stay motivated and measure your progress. This setup ensures daily practice doesn't fall through the cracks, giving you a clear sense of accomplishment as you check off each completed session.
Choosing compatible apps.
Start by picking apps that fit your workflow. Popular language apps like Duolingo or Babbel can be paired with habit trackers such as Habitica, Streaks, or TickTick. Most habit trackers let you set up daily tasks, while language apps offer reminders and progress tracking. Choose applications available on your device and customizable to your preferences.
Setting up your habit tracking routine.
Open your habit tracker and create a new habit labeled Practice Language. Set the frequency to daily or the number of times you wish to practice each week. You can add reminders to help nudge you at your preferred learning time. If possible, sync notifications from your language app for extra encouragement.
Linking progress between apps.
While most habit trackers and language apps don't directly sync, combining manual check-ins works very well. After completing a daily session in your language app, open your habit tracker and check off the task. Some habit trackers allow for notes. Use these to log new words, a completed lesson, or your mood during practice.
Tips for staying consistent.
Keep your language goal visible and achievable. Revisit your progress in both apps regularly to stay inspired. Celebrate streaks and milestones. If you miss a day, don't lose momentum. Safely mark your progress honestly and restart. This combined method builds routine and encourages steady improvement in your language skills.